All right, today we're at Medgar and Myrlie Evers Home National Monument in Jackson, Mississippi. For those keeping track, this is stop number 4 of 433 on the National Park Unit list. This one's kind of unique in the fact that it's actually in 2 locations. The monument has the garden, which was a garden club that Myrlie started the neighborhood, and they said it still produces food and stuff to this day. And then the house is down the street, which you walk down to, and that's just down the street a little bit. But the garden itself, it's got a lot of the flowers. There was a national park superintendent on site. He was there because there was some home renovations going on, and he said that they are going to continue to upgrade the park and add some different things to it. Or at least that was the plan. And then there's also the house that was, like I said, I've been working on. So there's a picnic area, and then there is posters and different things along the fence that kind of give some historical references to the whole monument. The park superintendent did say that he was not sure if this was going to be permanent or if they were going to change this or something a little different to it. But overall, it's a nice park. I don't know, there may be a monument or two they can add. It's also kind of awkward with the restrooms, just kind of in the middle of the park there. So I don't know if they're going to do anything to make them permanent or change it up or not. But the grass and everything else, it was pretty neat to see just the different history and to know that those kind of some historic grounds you're walking on. As far as people out there, there's only a handful of a couple other people that showed up to kind of see everything. But yeah, as you can see, the grass is really green, and there's the picnic area again, the flags over there. And then so from there we walked down to the actual house, which it's just right around the corner. It's not very far at all, but that kind of gives you another good look of the garden area. And then the house itself, so usually they give tours of it. On Sundays they don't do tours, and I just checked and it looks like they're not doing any tours currently, and they said they just had some renovations, different things that they had to get done on the actual house. So you could only really see the outside of the house, which was a little disappointing, but at the same time, you know, it was still neat to see the history of it. And this is going to show you where Medgar Evers was shot on June 12th, 1963, I believe. So you just walk down the street here. It's actually a really nice little neighborhood, and that's located on the north side of Jackson, Mississippi. It's going to be the greenhouse down here, and from what I checked on, it actually did have a different address before they changed the name of the street down here. But there's some signage in the lawn. There's the National Monument sign, and then there's another sign, and there's some other signage around the house. But when I was there, they were working on painting, and I think they were doing some type of removal and some other stuff going on. So that's about as much of the house you could actually see. You could walk up inside and everything, but didn't want to go in the worker's way. And then there was one of the plaques also that's in the front lawn as well too. So overall, interesting stop. And we will probably put this on the return list for whenever the renovations are done.